Hello friends, so I came here with new video and today I will change the oil on my E430. These are all the spares and the tools I will need for this job. Here we have fresh new engine oil, topsider pump tool, new original oil filter which is made by Mercedes and it is good. Also I will need 3/8 extension, ratchet and the oil filter which you can see here. And in addition I want to mention that I will also need the torque wrench for the engine oil filter. So I am ready now and let's start the job. Here you can see that everything is ready for the old oil to be pumped out. I placed the topsider tube into the place of the dipstick. Make sure that it hits the oil pan to give you more chance to pump out as much oil as it is possible. Now guys, before I start to pumping the topsider, I am locking this white valve. It allows me to pressure the tool in the correct way. Also, before to start sucking the oil, you must warm your engine and also remove the engine oil cap. It allows you to depressure the system and oil will be sucked better in this case. So I pumped this tool about 40 times and I think it is enough. Now let's open this valve and here you can see that oil is pumped out very fast and freely. I will wait now for 50 minutes and then continue the job. 50 minutes is the time which is necessary for this tool to suck all the old engine oil from my V8. Now it's time to remove the engine oil filter. For this I will need special filter wrench. I want to mention that this filter is torqued about 25 Newton meters here and it will be very easy to crank it. Now let's try. And here we are, it moves very freely. My friends, also I like to use some towels here to avoid any oil drips and marks because I don't like greasy and dirty engine base, not dusty, but I mean pure dirty and oily engine base. Also I have some plastic bucket here and I will place old filter inside to the bucket to do the job as clean as I can guarantee. So now everything is ready and let's remove this old engine oil filter from its place. Here is the old engine oil filter. As you can see, it is still enough in good condition and can be reused, but I don't like this hypothesis. Guys, I change oil on my car in every 2000 kilometers and it is the result of it. I mean the clean old engine oil filter. Now I am removing old filter from this plastic part very gently, and also I will remove then the main 4 O-rings from this plastic element. Once again, here you can see how clean my old engine filter oil is. Here are the main O-rings, the smallest one and the largest one. For this job, it is good to own some different pick tools. It makes your life easier, especially when your hands are dirty, oily, and it is not very easy to work with them. So let's start from the smallest one and finish with the largest one, as I already mentioned. All these 4 O-rings came with the new original engine oil filter, which is still in the genuine box. You can see here. So guys, 2 of the O-rings are removed now. Now I think that it is a good idea to change the pick tool. It is not very comfortable in this case. Let's swap it with the straight pick tool and then continue the job. For this job you can also use some little screwdrivers. Here we are, and the straight pick allows me to work much easier in this situation. This is the 3rd one, and now let's remove finally the largest one and then install everything new on this plastic part. After removing everything that was old, I have equipped this part with the new oil filter and O-rings. I followed to the instruction which came with the filter, and now everything is assembled correctly, and it is time to mount this on the engine itself. Here we are. Let's put the new engine oil filter and then tighten it to the 25 Newton meters. Be gentle here also, and be careful not to drop anything inside your engine. You must only place the new engine oil filter in its place. For the first time, tighten it with your hand and then use the special torque wrench. So here you can see that I have adjusted my torque wrench and it is ready for the job. 25 Newton meters, my friends, is exactly what you need here. Not more and not less. The final step is to fill the engine with the new oil. I am using funnel for this job. It will need up to 8 liters. I will fill up it with 7.5 liters for the first time. Then I will let the car working about 3 minutes, check the dipstick, and in such way I will fill up with the correct capacity. Make sure you don't need to overfill the engine. It is not good. So now let's check the level for the final. Here you can see that the measurement will be correct, I think. Let's clean the dipstick and see the final measurements. I think that the measurement is correctly. The level is a little bit more than normal, but still enough between the acceptable diapason, and that's all, guys. My camera has some troubleshooting to focus here, but trust me, the oil level in my case is ok. So thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe and catch you in the next videos.